This is nothing fun.
And we're gonna get some of our stuff going before we add the stock. So we've got some,
Was that olive oil?
there's a little olive oil there. Yeah, it was olive. She's a nice girl. Okay. I like garlic. You like garlic? Get you any seat on the bus on the way home that you want. Okay. And then we're gonna have some hot stuff. Put a little of that in there. That'll be good. We gotta use sambal, S-A-M-B-A-L, short. You can start.
Pass it on down.
Okay. I got dried here too. The base give it a little head start because I've got the garlic in there. I'm gonna put the ginger in a minute. You like ginger? You will by the time you're done here today. You'll never want to see it again. Oh yeah. Smells good. It is good. Okay. And then we got a couple more pieces of these in here. Okay. We got a little bit of good stuff there. I like a little sugar. Aha. Okay. And then we need a little bit of chicken stock. What about a half cup? Yeah, I gotta have a lot of sauce. Okay.
I like a little extra sauce.
You like a little sauce? They smell pretty good. You got smell-o-vision over there?
Yeah.